Uddhav Thackeray meeting just yesterday, the meeting that took place. As per sources, Pawar told Uddhav that they should have ignored Kangana completely, then even issued. They say that the issue wouldn't have blown out of proportion. Let's quickly cut across to Sanjay Rawat speaking. Let's take a listen.
धमकीबाजा इशारा दिला आहे SRPF किंवा दिल्ली पोलीस मोठ्या प्रमाणावर आपल्या दिल्लीतल्या निवासस्थानावर
मला कल्पना आहे मी दिल्लीत उद्या जाणार आहे मला पाहावं लागेल
We're quickly cutting across to Sahil Joshi joining us live for more details on that. Sahil, here we're looking at the Shiv Sena, of course, regretting that they even made any comments reacting to Kangana Ranaut. We hear the sources close to Pawar have told Uddhav Thackeray that the Shiv Sena should have completely ignored this, the rant coming forward from Kangana Ranaut, and it wouldn't have blown to such proportions. Take us through what was the actual talk in that meeting, all-important meeting between Uddhav and Pawar.
Well, Shiv Sena is not regretting what they made comments about Kangana Ranaut at all. Uddhav Thackeray told this to Sharad Pawar yesterday. The Maha Vikas Aghadi Patriarch Sharad Pawar tried to explain to Uddhav Thackeray that ideally the government should have completely ignored, specifically Shiv Sena, should have completely ignored Kangana Ranaut's remarks, continuous barbs at Uddhav and Aditya Thackeray. If that would have happened, then this whole episode wouldn't have blown out of proportion. But Uddhav Thackeray told Sharad Pawar that it's not Kangana, it's basically that there is a deliberate attempt to defame his government, not today, but right from the time the government was formed. Be it issue of COVID, be it issue of Sushant Singh Rajput, be it the Palghar mob lynching, every issue has been given a different turn altogether, and all these people, including Kangana Ranaut and others, have been used as pawns by the main opposition party BJP with the help of central agencies, is what Uddhav Thackeray told Sharad Pawar, and that is the reason why that now the time has come that the government and Shiv Sena cannot ignore these deliberate attempts, and they will have to give it back. They have been pushed to the corner by deliberately making remarks which are completely objectionable, not only against the government, but also the individual remarks which have been made by Kangana Ranaut and other people. That's what he told Sharad Pawar, and that is the reason why such action was needed. Of course, Sharad Pawar has told him that the government should refrain from any kind of harsh action like this, but Uddhav Thackeray says that now the time has come that they will have to give it back. Yes,
the Maha Aghadi government there in Maharashtra have jumped the gun, maybe too soon. Let's quickly, do stay with us, Sahil. Let's quickly take a listen yet again to what Sanjay Rawat said just now.
पवार साहेब असतील सोनियाजी असतील कोणीही अशा प्रकारचे कुठलेही नाराजीचं वक्तव्य केलेलं नाही
राज्यपालांनी हे प्रकरण गांभीर्याने घेतलंय केंद्राकडे अहवाल पाठवणार असं म्हटलं
राज्यपालांचं काम असतं राज्यातल्या घडामोडींची माहिती द्या राज्यपालांना जरी खूप मोठी घडामोड वाटत असेल तर नक्कीच त्याविषयी ते अहवाल पाठवू शकतात
पण आता कंगना राणावत हा विषय संपला आहे की पुन्हा कायदेशीर कारवाई किंवा काय
नाही संपला आम्ही ते विसरूनही गेलो आता आम्ही आमच्या रोजच्या दैनंदिन राजकीय सामाजिक शासकीय कामाला लागलो अजून काय पाहिजे
पण कंगना राणावत रोज ट्वीट करतात आजही त्यांचे दिवसभरात अनेक ट्वीट आले आहेत
Neither Sharad Pawar nor Sonia Gandhi has expressed any kind of displeasure about this particular episode. It's governor's duty to inform the central government if he feels that there is some big activity going on in the state. If the governor feels that this is such a big happening, then he should definitely inform the state.
साहेब आपल्या दिल्लीतल्या निवासस्थानाबाहेर पोलीस सुरक्षा वाढवली आहे करणी सेनेनं आंदोलन केलं आहे
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.